Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astra in Starfield. Astra is a crucial skill for any space explorer, significantly boosting your ship's grav jump performance. By understanding and utilizing Astra, you can travel greater distances across the galaxy with less effort. This guide will help you unlock its full potential, making your interstellar journeys smoother and more efficient. Get ready to explore the vastness of space like never before. To begin using Astra, you first need to unlock the astrodynamics skill within your character's science skill tree. You'll invest skill points to activate its first rank, and then continue to upgrade it through 4 ranks. Each subsequent rank dramatically increases your ship's grav jump range and reduces fuel costs. For example, the final rank can reduce fuel consumption by up to 50%, allowing for much longer journeys. Once Astra is active, its benefits are automatically applied to your ship's grav drive. When you open your star map, you'll immediately notice the expanded reach of your grav jumps. You can now select star systems that were previously too far, making exploration of remote regions much easier. Pay attention to the fuel cost displayed. You'll see a significant reduction, allowing you to make multiple jumps without needing to refuel as often. To truly maximize Astra's power, pair it with a top-tier grav drive on your ship. While Astra enhances any grav drive, a superior module will amplify its effects, allowing for truly epic journeys. Always consider upgrading your ship's grav drive as you progress. Planning multi-jump routes efficiently will also save you precious fuel and time, letting you explore more of the galaxy with fewer interruptions. Happy travels, Spacefarer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.